Firewalla Gold versus Ubiquiti UniFi, secure firewall versus integrated networking. In today's connected homes and small offices, you need both strong security and smooth network management. These two bring a different approach. One is a security powerhouse and the other is a fully integrated networking system. So now let's go ahead and compare these side by side. So the Firewall Gold is a high performance firewall and router that's all about security. It offers deep packet inspection, intrusion prevention, behavior analytics, ad and content blocking, VPN support and network segmentation, all with no subscription fee. The mobile app makes it easy to set up and control, and its multi-gigabit ports handle demanding internet speeds with ease. Now, Ubiquiti UniFi security gateways and Dream Machines are designed to be the central hub of the UniFi ecosystem. They provide strong routing, VLAN support, forward policies, deep packet inspection, and IDS, IPS. The real strength comes from the UniFi controller, allowing you to manage your entire network from switches to access points all in one place. So Firewall Gold is best if you want a maximum security and control in a standalone box without ongoing fees. Ubiquiti UniFi is best if you're building an integrated scalable network with centralized management across all devices. So basically choose Firewall Gold for top tier security and mobile friendly management and privacy features, or lean towards Ubiquiti UniFi for a complete unified network system where the firewall is part of a bigger picture.